Here at the Baby Lock factory in Yamagata, Japan, we have a proud tradition of manufacturing the best sergers in the world. For over 50 years, we have introduced innovative features, making our sergers the easiest machine to use on the market today. And we continue to stretch what is possible in machine design and functionality, making our sergers the most user-friendly.
私たちはサージャーの重要な部品の一部を手作業で行っています。
新製品が完成し、お客様にお届けできることには特別な満足感があります。
ここが日本の山形にあるベビーロックの工場です。世界最高のベビーロックを製造する誇り高き伝統があります。
Today, we introduce the exclusive Baby Lock Applaud creative cover stitch machine.
This machine has been in development for up to 4 years. We wanted a top cover stitch 6-thread machine that was different than existing product on the market. After researching, I was able to present an opportunity to our Baby Lock Japan partner, which inspired the development of the new Applaud. Our close relationship with the engineers and leadership of Baby Lock Japan allow us to bring the unique, innovative, and exclusive wiper system with combination foot to life.
The dual wiper system on the Baby Lock Applaud really elevates all the stitches available on that machine. And the great part is that you can add your own personal touch with that system, whether it's a garment, a quilt, a home decor project, craft, or even creating your own unique trims. That stitch really lends itself to lots of creative opportunities. And the best part is when you take a look at that stitch, it's hard to believe it was done on a serger.